A senior Zimbabwean official has said that the BRICS summit is a big community of humanity coming together for shared human progress, and BRICS members can cooperate for a mutually beneficial and win-win world. Christopher Mutsvangwa, a member of the Political Bureau of the Central Committee of Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front, made the remarks in an interview with Xinhua ahead of the 15th BRICS Summit to be held in Johannesburg, South Africa.
This summit is very important for the global community because it is bringing Africa, one of the continents with the largest number of nations, for development. This is a big community of humanity coming together for shared human progress. So we are going to have exchanges, particularly in the movement of capital. We want capital to come to Africa, but we also want Africans to access markets. We can cooperate for a mutually beneficial win-win world. Economic development is for all humanity. It's not for one particular country. And let's give opportunities fair to each other. Many countries are moving into the BRICS. They want to become members because they see the benefits of a relationship where there is no boss and there is no victim.